Ciao Tesla people, today a nice ride to Impruneta and maybe to Greve. It's a beautiful day, so I'm going there to take a walk around and maybe to do some late breakfast, maybe brunch, and see if the museum and the church are open. Sometimes they're not, so we'll figure out. Maybe take a ride around the small town near Impruneta. So I'll do the time lapse of the road and I'll see you there in a bit. So I'm in Greve in Chianti, the main square, and there is nobody this time. The Razzano is still here, and it's full of Americans. I guess in September it's their time to vacation, but the weather is great. Temperature-wise is great. So very nice period to come to Tuscany for vacation. Okay, so they will be harvesting the wine and the vineyards, grapes, this month, I think, and then next one there is olive oil, and olives, trees, and stuff. Okay, so now I'm going back home, probably, maybe taking a ride somewhere else too. I'm not sure yet. So, see you in a bit. So I'm back home. So I didn't go to Impruneta, but I went to Greve in Chianti for a nice cappuccino and a pasta, a pastry. Very nice. Not many people. Most of the foreigner people are from US. Basically 95%. So it was a nice ride. The weather is pretty cool. From tomorrow for a couple to 2 or 3 days it will rain here, so and temperature will go down. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.